What up, YouTube? Brokefarmer back with another video on this beautiful day, y'all. And today is my version of Garden Labor Day. Everybody enjoying Labor Day. You cooking now, you having beers, you know, you doing your own thing. I'm gonna be in the garden. I'm gonna be cleaning my garden up. I'm gonna be sowing seeds. I'm gonna be harvesting stuff. Stay tuned. Can't wait. All right, YouTube. These are my melon vines. No, not watermelon. It's not watermelon time yet to get rid of them vines. But all these other melons, they still producing, but not at a high enough rate for the space it's taking up. I got fall plants to plant, so we're gonna get all this mess out of here. Pull the vine off that. You might have cream, oh well. Still has some fruit that were coming up. So let's get all these weeds out of here and get ready for some good planting, y'all. Look at all these weeds out here, my trusted tool, whatever it's called. Nope, I ain't even worry about it. A big onion in there, y'all. And there you go, y'all. With them wood chips, the grass is only on top and it's really easy to rake it off. So now we're gonna plant some seeds. All right, y'all, we're gonna start off with Wakefield Cabbage. I wasn't gonna plant that much this year, but my family had a special request for a bunch of cabbage, and we're gonna oblige them. Two seeds. And I'm gonna do these a little different, y'all. I'm gonna space them out a little better. Y'all know me. I don't really respect spacing, but they're gonna be all right. If y'all didn't know, more cabbage. Now, I thought that was Wakefield cabbage. That was Kalibos cabbage, Kalibos. This is Wakefield. And I know a lot of people saying, why is he showing us planting seeds? Because this is where it all began at. I want y'all to enjoy the journey, so I got to show y'all the whole journey. You know what I mean? This is Endive. Just a little there, a little there, a little there. About that far apart, about that close. Endive. All right, y'all, now. I'm guilty of burying small seeds too deep, so I'm gonna change my method. I'm just gonna put them on top of the soil, and then just lightly put some soil on top of it. That's all I'm gonna do. The reason real reason why I'm doing this, I didn't like my germination rate from my fall garden. I usually have a really good germination rate. So I was like, maybe I shouldn't bury them that deep. So I broadcast them on the top and put soil on top of it. That's all you need. Small seeds. We'll try to do the right thing, y'all, for a change. Everything in, I'm gonna mix them in. Now I got a container. I'm playing a little Tatsoi in there. I was shooting for 2 seeds, but I got ended up with a whole bunch more in there. That's all right. It'll be okay. Didn't go that deep with it. Not deep at all. I'm gonna cover them up and hope everything work out. All right, something I want to try this year, and think about the reasoning behind it. I'm gonna grow my fall vegetables here. Every time I water them, fertilizer, it'll go into the tree. Make them super healthy. Same thing here. Every time I water this container, I fertilize it. Everything that drips out the bottom will go to my tree. Especially in summer going forward, this is how I would do things, especially bigger containers. They will all be put around my fruit trees. And I'll tell you how it goes. All right, I know I showed this in another video, just how wild this got. Well, we finna take care of it. It's starting to choke out my little apple tree right here. So, but before we do that, let's harvest these watermelons. Look at the tendril. Can you see the tendril? There go the tendril. Dry. We're gonna get her. That's a big one. That's a big one. Oh! Yeah. I'm gonna need my cart. Yeah. Let me get my hurry. We got another one. We got a dry tendril. We got a ripe watermelon. All right. Oh. Oh. Ooh. Nah, let's clean this mess up, y'all. All right, I ain't gonna take no chance with these watermelon vines taking over when I thought I killed them out. So I'm gonna go for them first. Little watermelon went down my boot. Yeah, I found one more watermelon. That's a nice little watermelon harvest, y'all. Yes, it is. All right, y'all, let's do a quick tour. Of course, I still got watermelon going. Carolina cross, if you please. Yeah, we still got watermelons in container. No biggie. No biggie. Couple figs. We ain't worried about the fruit trees yet. But guess who's gonna have sweet potatoes soon? I will. Look how pretty those leaves are. Brokefarmer, you are outstanding this year. my $3 potatoes. Gotta get $3 worth of potatoes, y'all. I'ma kill you. More sweet potatoes. Can never have enough sweet potatoes. All right, y'all. This is my butternut squash, honey butternut, excuse me. Got a couple flowers. I think they all male flowers. Yeah, I think they all male flowers. We ain't got one butternut squash on here nowhere. For real? For real? I know you playing. We really ain't got none, y'all. Nathan. Well, it will be like that then. But now, you know, watermelon, 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 watermelon. Fruit tree. All right, y'all. Now we finally off to the races. Look at that cabbage. Look how pretty she done got. Look how pretty you and your sisters is. You and your sister's so pretty, but I'm gonna separate y'all though. Don't fret, I'm gonna put you right there. Y'all will be close together. Gotta have your peas. Or your beans, excuse me. Gotta have your beans. Good to eat, good for the soil. Can't go wrong. Now, this corn. She been looking so good. But then I got like 300 pounds of rain. Wait a minute now. Bow chicka wow wow. Bow chicka wow wow. Go get your little ladybug, you know, do your thing, do your thing. But you know, this corn, it didn't like all this rain, y'all. I don't know how else to put it. I got a couple stalks coming on. But I don't think it's gonna be nothing spectacular. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't about ready to get rid of it so my peppers can finish out the year. Yeah. I don't know about that one, y'all. KOHLRABI! Getting eaten up by everything. Yay! Yeah, everything likes KOHLRABI. But it's growing good. It's not dead. Don't worry about it, y'all. I might break down and spray. I don't know. Bell pepper plant took forever and a century. But now she want to produce, and I'm happy for her. Long beans. I got a whole bag in the freezer for long beans. Just take 2 or 3 in there at a time. Oh yeah. Come on, bean, come through, bean. More KOHLRABI. More KOHLRABI. It's okay. It's okay. We got you. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, that's a big one, y'all. That one going on the scale. Oh yeah, it is. Greasy leaf collard greens. You already know it. That's what it is. That's exactly what it is. Oh yeah. We're gonna have a good fall. If this goddamn mint don't stay out the yard. Boy. Oh yeah. My fall garden is definitely off to the races, y'all. Little sprigs here and there. More beans, y'all. And I got that would be something. Something. Definitely something. Little pak choi. If y'all saw in the video where I put these chips in here, that's when I did the pak choi. Came up quick. And if you look over here real close, you see it? Nothing. Not a goddamn thing. But it's coming. Be patient. I got one healthy broccoli. I don't know what that is. I think that's Swiss chard. That's something. And this is nothing. This is mint. Look at this mint. Goddamn mint to take over. Oh, and that's something nice. I just don't remember what it is. All right, y'all. I gave y'all everything. I gave y'all a tour. I gave y'all a harvest. I gave y'all a seed sowing. I gave y'all a cleanup video. hit the like button at least. Leave a comment. Let somebody know. Goddamn Brokefarmer out here doing these awesome videos. You probably should check them out. All right, let's weigh these little watermelons, see what we got. I'm curious. All right, that's 15 pounder. That ain't bad for the family, y'all. This ain't even competition watermelon. These a little smaller. Let's say about 7, 8 pounds. Ooh, 9 and a half. 9 and a half. Guess it's about 8. Oh, that's 11.09. Okay.